Everyone, in this video we are going to see about the selection sort program in Python. We know that sorting is the arrangement of elements either in the ascending or descending order. Let us see the program. The Python program starts with the function definition. There we have the function name as the selection sort, and we have the array A and the size is the size of the element. Okay. Now the program starts with the for loop for I in range of size. This for loop will help to move the program from the first to the last element of the array. So first the element we are taking as min is the minimum element, where we are choosing the first element as the minimum and then we go for the remaining elements. So the first element is taken as min, that is the minimum. We are going to find the minimum in the array, okay, which is the we are going to the selection sort. So the first element is the minimum element, we are going to put in the minimum position. So first position is the small value, then we go to the next minimum and so on and so on. So that is the finally we will get the arranged element in order. Now the next for loop, which is the nested for loop, it starts with for j in range of I plus 1 comma size. Since you have taken the first element, we are going to compare the first element with the second, third, fourth and so on till the last element. So how to do this? So that is done by the if statement. If a of j less than a of min, that means the second element we have chosen, which is in the range of I plus 1, and a of min is the first element. Now we are comparing the first and the second element. If the first element is smaller, we leave as it is and move to the next element. Otherwise what we will do, if the second element is less, means we are making the second as the minimum. So now min becomes j. Before min was I, that is first element. Now because of this condition, the second element becomes the small now. So the condition is true, which means second element is small. That means here the min becomes j now. So what we will do, since the first is the big and the second is the small, we have to exchange. So we have to exchange the things using the swap statement. So how it's work, a of I comma a of min is equal to a of min comma a of I. So this will arrange for this first step. 1 comma 2 will be put as 2 comma 1 if the element is not in the order. So likewise, this function definition of selection sort go through all the elements of this array, which is A, using this for loop. Okay. So now that's all, the function definition is over, and now this function does not return a value, and here just calling the function to print the values. Okay. So now the array assignment takes place here. So now you can see here the program definition. The defined functions start in the first line and other things are indented towards the right. Okay. And now after this function definition is over, we are again start from the first position, which is the array assignment. So array equal to, that is ARR is the variable. We are giving some 10 elements of the size, and then size is equal to len of array. Len is the function, and that function find out the number of elements in the array, which is length. That is put in size. Okay. So now we got the element and we got the size of the array also. Now we are calling the function selection sort. Here this is the function definition and this is the function call. So when you call the function selection sort of array comma size, this array will be passed to this variable A and this size will be passed to this value size. And after this, the elements are arranged using this algorithm, using this logic, and the elements are in the order using this checking and swapping or exchanging. So finally we got the arranged element which is in the array and that will be printed. So how to print out? Print the array after sorting in ascending order by selection sort is. Sorry, I give some two new line space to just to type the give some space after this heading, and then print of ARR. So now this the array will be printed. So that's all the program for the selection sort. So here the whole concept is we are taking one position as minimum, and that is small value, and compare the remaining values. If that is true, means we have the element we got the first is in the position and move to the next element. If it does not, means we exchange and go. This is how the full thing is arranged in the ascending order. Now let us see the output how we got from this is the screenshot which I got from the Python screen. The same program only this given as a screenshot, and then the output. So output look like this. The array after sorting using the ascending order is, so this is the final output. So hope it is a simple program which uses the array concept to find out the ascending order of the given element. Hope it is easy and simple to follow, and thanks for watching.